New science standards that are coming out are emphasizing engineering at all levels of K-12. As we looked around to how schools and districts and teachers were implementing this, we noticed a couple of things that were missing. There weren't a lot of tools, especially at the elementary level, to teach engineering in the classroom. So we came up with Descartes. It's a game-based engineering environment, and it combines real engineering tools, gaming, and 3D printing into a platform where students can solve all kinds of engineering problems. In Descartes, students can create designs for things like boats, gliders, submarines, rockets, and more. They can use the design tools in the game to investigate parameters, analyze performance, and even simulate in realistic environments. Design challenges involve exploring cool environments like islands, coral reefs, or deep ocean vents, finding and studying creatures in these environments, and ultimately making a real-world physical prototype of their design. Students can work together to refine these designs in teams using collaboration tools. And since Descartes is based on real engineering capabilities, they can export their designs, 3D print them, laser cut them, or create these designs in the real world to test them. This lets us close the loop on the design process and engage a wide array of learners.
What this program does is it incorporates all of our engineering standards.
We wanted to make sure we focus on specific math concepts that the students were engaged in, as well as the science concepts, and intertwine that with engineering design process.
And then also making sure that these projects were team-based and collaborative. This is the foundation behind what we're trying to do with Descartes.
I haven't had a program yet that I've come across that I've seen the kids so excited and engaged, and the great thing that I'm seeing is that the kids are self-motivated.
We heard different conversations from the students where they said, this is the only time I really thought science was fun and exciting.
Engineering is one of the best ways to connect the disciplines of math and science and really connect these concepts to real-world applications.
So at first the teachers thought that, I don't know if I have the amount of time to devote to teaching this curriculum to my students. As the teachers were doing their lesson planning, they realized this is very easy to integrate within the curriculum.
In addition to the game-based learning environment, Descartes provides teachers with an integrated web-based LMS where they can manage student teams, create assignments, post announcements, differentiate instruction, and assess student understanding using the educational data captured from inside the game.
I love that the system is helping me to do formative assessments on a daily basis if I need to. It's right there. I can go back and look to see how are they doing with perimeter and area and volume, which are my standards. I see parents at the store and they've said, this thing you're doing with boats, it just sounds so exciting, and that's all my kid comes home and talks about. And so it's just been really fun to see their overall enthusiasm, and it's been a lot of fun along the way.
Descartes is also a time saver. Lessons are designed to easily fit 25 to 30-minute blocks. Instructor PD requirements are minimized by providing many targeted instructional videos and reusing the interfaces, accounts, and tools across all different design problems. This in fact lets students and teachers learn the software once and quickly apply it to new vehicles, designs, and projects. We at Parametric Studio believe every child is a little scientist or engineer waiting to be unleashed. And the great thing about Descartes is it provides them a nice platform and a tool in which to do that and really explore science and math in a constructive way.